Right guys, so just arrived here at the Nipa Resort in Patong. We're out for the hotel. So let me show you around, show you the room. Let me know what you think. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Keep watching. So there's the pool area. Not without pool, too many people there. And then reception. Okay. There's no smoking in the rooms, no durian, no mangosteen, and no weed, or broccoli, whatever. You check in at 2 o'clock and you check out at 1200 hours. Okay, so got some good reviews from TripAdvisor. Little bar area. Let's have a quick look. There you go. Okay, so we're just going to the room now. Here at the Nipa Resort Hotel in Patong. To the right is a bathroom. As you see, nice little bath there. Complimentary shampoo, conditioner, towels, and then you've got the wardrobe space. I'll just show you this. Umbrella, safe, drawers, dressing gown, coat hangers. And then you got your coffee, your mini bar. This is not free, by the way, you have to pay for all this. And you have to pay 4,000 baht deposits. So you've got some free slippers, a laundry bag, big mirror, telephone, you can see there, big bed, smart TV, wooden chairs, table, and then the balcony outside. How good is that? And that's the view. As you see, quite a big hotel. So let me know what you think of the room here at the Nipa Resort in Patong. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe. And there's the sockets. So I'll try and get my phone into that somehow. I think it's like a USB lead I can use, so I'm okay. Okay, so that's the room. Catch you later.